What's up, y'all? It's Mariah and I am back with another banger. In today's video, we will be reviewing another Amazon wig. I saw this one and I just felt like I had to try it. It's time to bring out the bang. Bringing bangs back to school, back to the past. We bringing bangs back. This wig is by Abili. It is the Brazilian Virgin Human Hair Body Wave wig with bangs. And I got this in 14 inches. So let's check it out. I've never really had bangs and I feel like it's time to see what that looks like on me. So let's get into the video. All right, as you know, I'm going to show you the packaging. I told you, y'all know how I feel about these cute silk bags. And look, it's like crimson, near and dear to my heart. Okay, in the packaging, it comes with the wig itself, the net wig cap, which I will not be using, and lashes. Not sure if these are 3D, but I think I may try them on to go with the wig because I said I was gonna start doing that. Okay, so I found these in the packaging. So now I'm intrigued. I hope I don't have to like sew these on to the wig. That is not my thing. Okay, so this is the wig. It's 14 inches body wave. The texture, it is gorgeous. It feels so smooth. It smells like hair. And the bang. This is a full sewn cap. You see the other clips, the adjustable straps in the back. So yeah, pretty simple wig. The beauty about the bang wig is supposed to be that there's no lace that you need to cut off, no customization. You're just supposed to slap it on your head and style it. So let's see how true that is.
Oh my gosh, what in the world? What is on your head? It is not getting any better. Are you gonna make it better? Does this get any better?
Okay, so first of all, this is clearly too big for my head. Like, what in the world? The bang is way too long. So the question is, can I style this to recreate it and make it look better? We'll see.
While I'm curling this wig, I figure we have a little chit chat. By the way, I've got everything you see in this picture from Amazon, from the wand to the wig stand, and the straightener, the flat iron. So I will link everything in the description box below. But how are y'all? Y'all good? Did y'all catch Squid Games? Y'all, if you're watching this, I will try not to spoil it if you haven't seen it, but that damn number 1 and that damn 218, y'all, they had to go. But good series. Like myself and many of the people who watched it, we were attached but not addicted. Now, if you want to be addicted, go ahead and watch Manifest, y'all. That is a show where the episodes get better and better. It gets better by the season. And right now, I am itching for it to come out for season 4 next year. And while we're on the subject of great addictive shows, on October the 15th, You comes out. No, this video is not sponsored by Netflix, but you know, Netflix, if you ever come across it and you want to holla at your girl, I'm listening. But I loved you. Crazy Joe, we will see what he is up to this season. You know, him and Quinn got a baby. They both crazy. We gonna see what's gonna happen. Again, sorry for the spoiler alerts, but let me know your opinion on all these shows down in the comments below. Now that I finished spiral curling the wig, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the bangs and start to bump them. Hopefully that will make the wig look a little less flat and more fitting around my face. By the way, I did these spiral curls all with the flat iron. I did not even use the wand. It may have been quicker or not, but I just decided to use the flat iron because they were coming out nicely.
This is what we got here. You know, threw some curls in the back. Let's see if that made a difference. Okay, I mean, a little bit. I think I just need to cut the bangs at this point because my head is just like short, I guess, small, I don't know. I still kind of want them to be a little shorter maybe. Actually, this might be it. I just need my eyebrows to show, I believe. Okay. So what do you think? You know, got the curls. So the hair on the wig is very quality. It curled excellent. I love the way it curled. It took very well to heat. Even the bangs took well. So very pleased about that. Let me go put the lashes on. Got the opportunity to look at myself in the mirror downstairs, and personally, I kind of like it. I feel, I don't know if my face is fitting for bangs. It's giving me kind of costumey vibes, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. Is it better if my eyebrows are showing or if they're not showing, you know? You know, am I giving you Drew Barrymore, Charlie's Angels? But yeah, so the reason I felt like I had to get this wig, minus the bangs, was because it was 50% off on Amazon. So it was only $25. Not a bad price to add a look. And these are the lashes. They were very hard and felt very synthetic. So they were kind of hard to put on. So if they look a little crazy, that's why. I will link the information for the wig in the description box below so you can go check it out for yourself, see it on other people in the reviews. I really like the quality of the hair. I think that is really what is going to make me keep this wig and not return it. I feel like I'm a sitcom character out of an 80s show, but it's cute. That is the end of today's Amazon wig review. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe for good vibes, and I will see y'all in the next one.